send it to the sound so far. They are taking me from all back and back. And the people don't get them. Tell his life run. The mother, the father, the sister, the son. Some children has attack force. And then so is spectrum. The house them challenge of them. Wisdom, a second and villages and
attack force for owner. Tell us something.
Remember them know they shouldn't try. It's just that you no excuse for the take and away. Oh, yes, God, why fly? Needless to say no more. Somebody is on the board. Ask me, see I know more. I can't scare him. I'm boy for them, me not gonna scare him. When nothing said that night, clear him. We only want some gunshot chasing. Overtake people and racing.
Now play 5 more.
They come say,
attack force.
we don't pray on no boy, you will not feel no right. And be telling us on the phone.
We in here. We in here. We in. We in. We in. Yes, sir, it's gonna look a way now. Attack force dead last week. And then drive out and come dead again. I leave Perry alone, I Perry kill him up. Perry kill him up. But me a burn up blood clot tonight, attack force. And the dumpy me a put in like grave tonight. The boss face him out free. With them blood clot stooge and all this sound, them stooge them body.
Gun up, get it, you boy, run up. Hey, go, yeah,
them sound them.
Hey, go, get up, run up. Cheer up. Well, now one of them sound there. Ricky Trooper boss it in a long road there. Now we pop it up, we lift it one dance all day. Papa and your family wind it. Home no one spread, everything that more. Tell some Trooper how much am I run round. From heart in a Trooper, pop him gun home. Say now your head from West Coast or down so. When them a run home, when I hear close, you should know. And now run up in this national.
All I'm bad man.
Hey, yo, get out. What's that about? You should know. It's a evil. Check out the future. So one thinking back, run up in a winner, so and your mind come from in there, from the bin of the show. And they back to get them to the back to tomorrow. And they got them a mind and when we don't borrow. Top SCBT, how will you borrow? See them out to pop up.
Hold up. A bounty killer, yeah. It's an anthem with some trooper. They use it and kill base of this here blood clot New York. Saying we are playing bounty for bounty, sound trooper. Base of this young black and panther first run out. Say run out and down. The CD out there. I mean I'm base and say background. I mean I'm about this song. When I drop this and say yeah babe. I become vice here Jamaica. Sing to you. Vice to go. Another vice the blood clot killer you.
Some trooper, some person when I walk at time about trooper, bounty killer on this side and that and passa. Let me tell them blood clot boy them.
You're the killer here.
Let me tell them blood clot boy.
Man is so bounty.
Killers and killers.
What a problem is. You're the greatest selector ever.
Some trooper, say we are warrior. We are warrior. We are warrior. We are warrior. Trooper killer sound boy and we hold a yanga. Kill the one every man and go hanga. Killer sound boy and we hold a yanga. And kill the one.
Nicholas of force. You can't kill bad man song and you're not a killer. We have them vice here. You have last killer. We have them blood clot vice here.
I know.
You have killer. We have them vice here.
I know.
That force.
Oh, we even love it in this film. I know. This is the vision. Look into the dance, tell me what you see. Yo, super song, them are your enemy. There is no better way. No, you're really dead. The only friend I know is this come tired. Listen to the voice. Well, this is a threat. Now you see me nine. Well, reminisce your death. You were talking about you want the cost.
Every man comes for your blood clot. When you come away, when diabetes, you make a bounce and say I'm dead. And your boss too. Your boss are dead too if you don't bounce. Your boss have the bounce. But the girl is dead there. And so when the sound of the come from Glenda from Polish Town.
Trooper, six, fuck y'all a bad man pleasure. Yo, some trooper no like Matty Digger. Hey, well, how do we even for China? Where you want like a car wiper and sing, fuck y'all a bad man pleasure. Yo, Ricky.
That force. Mash up the
Yo, see, and this way I talk about, see, some sound too shaky, and them thing I make dancehall nice when man cannot show more than a show song. See, that's why I always have to big up Trooper, you know. See, because anyway you take it, you might put a youth to the world and you might put a sound to the world, and this sound them nah do that for you them. See, so I'm big up everybody in here. Trooper. No, I'm not listen up. The big up for me, I big up. No, if you kill me, I kill. And do it badness. See, attack force there, say, Trooper here.
Yeah, man, you know, say attack force. And how we kill sound the most. I take to fly some song, you know, now. And some boy choke out both. Ready?
Attack force this right. Put the jockey in one side.
It's a murder clash. Attack force, even sound boy cook. It's a rumble jumble clash. Come with
level. Trooper. We said Perry killed me last week. Perry no kill nobody last week. An interceptor killed Dynamite. See? But if killing for one and anybody ever try attack force, remember this. Before no run up in the yellow and blue zone, you remember?
Attack force club, and the boy the books and them and forget contract. Make weird, oh, nothing that sound around here. Hey, what is a guy?
Level. You're a bag of man in a group and see a bag of things. But when you're not talking to the land, you can't no sound come no man. Remember?
attack force, they can't keep a champion down. You know, you play them to the kill and run back ground. Keep the vibe and just to the ground. And they could never stop the attack force sound. Who just bless I said no man curse. Things getting better when the Lord is moving.
Remember 3 bad sound in here.
Just tell me who has the title. I wanna know. Just tell me who has the title.
Hey, boss, when we are war,
Attack for sound you want to.
you're not the any war. Red sound for dead.
When we say cha-la-la-la-la, go suck your crackhead mother. La-la-la-la-la, go suck your pocket father.
So make them play the rhythm. Them sound for play 70s, 80s, 90s. Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. Go. Brother, you see that sound here roll out? We put the box them in a truck and we put the leather. And we always walk with a push broom. Now left the push broom. So when you run up in a trooper, hold on. Trooper, your bass a play alright, I like it. But me can't hear no time stopping. Listen this.
Attack force is gonna kill off every sound.
Order.
Attack force.
Let me tell you this. See there, a 16 power soft in the opera.
The champions.
Remember this.
To tell ya, you little sound boy, it's not the time to play like a sound boy. And let the attack force play, the people does.
Super. Don't tell them one say them fat. Do not do it. A Jamaican is no foreign. So when you attack over a mind member,
Real sound.
Super.
Round over time.
Let me tell you this, you.
At those places you work and mind not take your time.
Oi, show.
Watch out for that even sound, don't claim say that.
Them smart. Who do think could come here no 45 juggling?
Claim say that them slick. Now bring
Attack force, attack force.
See top.
Attack force.
We don't be up for free. Why?
Attack force is not for sale or rent. It's the singles 80%. No act, no hold, no fouls. I ain't got no stinger.
They look like every song get an artist here, man get no clean.
Anything pencil to go. This is a
Let me roll out the buckler. People all over the trooper sound.
Just like them up now that them a say in the streets, and if there is
One
one
over the trooper sound.
kill them up now, my people feel the beat. Make good boys put up the guns and ask and carve them feet like them up.
Trooper, I know you for son try kill a Sonia. Parent try, Interceptor try, Dynamite try, Ruffcut tornado. We never try to, my brother. Alright, tell me again, firewash.
Really try but could not test.
One on them, man. I don't understand. How much sound in your play? I try to answer for. So I saw them, you know, I'm boss here tonight. See, what there's some. Oh, okay, all right. Are you ready? All right.
No, listen up. Everybody know. A trooper throw one door. A trooper. Big up my brother them who is on town about now. See, we have to make the thing nice. Some of them son I want to come here every week and I play a song like Arm Tone on the war. I'm like war.
The one and only, the infamous, very someone, the international.
They're running 2000 final challenge. What is?
Oh gosh now, oh gosh.
Trooper.
Attack force, kill them. Can you now? Made it try but could not test. Attack force.
Troopers say they can't play the certain song. The mad, them must say a pound and a JMD.
Cause one thing is in January, ragamuffin, the people sound boy. I got it, I hit them off on the premises, cause them broken. Don't let it rain.
Let me tell you this. Some man now come here week time with a laptop. P45, nah cook no don't play. Anytime when you walk up in on this.
Watch out now, sounded. I got 40 we don't want it. You come and worry, don't bag a target. I got food, but then it like Japan. The sound abundant. I got 40 we don't want it.
Listen to man.
We don't want bag a target.
And that thing I make dance all nice.
Oh no.
Don't it? Yo.
Down boy, have I told you? What a plan wouldn't be so easy. I am up
Let me tell you on this.
and they're depending.
Tonight.
Yeah, what a rascal, some clash this must be.
If Trooper try.
Discuss me. We make them so light up like a Christmas tree. Them candies at the post make me see. And why you get the lot
You know me love juggle with him, right?
when them send your son to bread like
Watch you with him.
rub your head.
All of us smoke ganja.
And that's
Star roll up and spray. In the morning.
the
The man never not take Malibus and blank in her ear. The man never not take two. Put up your gun. Yo.
Rolling up some blunts at the Jamaican. Sipping on some Mali with some Tennessee. I'm rolling with the atom for the massive beats. I'm missing dance, I'm rolling.
Hey.
Some in them believe.
The whole of my friend them knows them when I drink alcohol and me a play a song.
Some dance with these. Oxygen, bacon, and jam.
But when me a play a song, how I me want?
Chicks the king of sing, give me the weed, cold ganja weed. I'm the virgin, I'm the lowest bird, I'm the green. Give me the weed, good sense to it.
Spanish dog, they can't bust a top first gun in here.
Hey, we bust the pussy, make it shot them but some.
I remember me tell you now, my one of them come like Netflix series. All 8 series. You can't one time and think say done today.
I said, oh, between them, that force and the soul can't unburn. Who take the fuck up on the sound and leave now before we jump in?
Me tired of the 45 them down.
The war between.
In general, say 80s, 70s, and 90s.
And then me dance it, this blum blum, ratatata blum blum. Attack force I go kill another jump on. Dance it, this blum blum, ratatata blum blum. Attack force I go kill another jump on. There is trouble.
Let me big up Nefele. But me now go big up Nefele Panasanya. Me a big up the Batman friend the Panasanya.
Big gunman rise born in the night. This all attack will get the shot between the eyes. Like the thunder and the fast just like that.
Gunshot through the
brain.
Hold on, watch your style here. All that man know you not no boyfriend gun in your ear. Look for your virgin good. What you say you have? Let me say it again. All that man know say no boy can't draw down your pants, put up your gun in your ear. No one that is.
Someone know that.
The man never straight, what trooper?
So we just show honor. I original that you did something and tell force I say. Show honor say.
Hey.
Ready for no better figure that.
Every minute hear them now. This sound from Glengarth. I know Glengarth me there. A Spanish town me there. No run your trooper come from
Kill enemies, for attack on motherland.
Why there?
It's what the chief.
Put the Bible.
Kill enemies, in every murder time.
Me glad say Father Perry there, you know. Father Perry, free up it. Free up it. Father Perry, free up it.
The confidence sound wide. La 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 la.
What we are saying, trooper?
Sound wide. You're going to a cemetery, sound boy. Gonna be buried. Going to a cemetery and you're gonna be
Why there?
buried.
I be say.
You little thin band sound boy. Gonna be buried. Going to a cemetery tonight.
Everything alright, man, you go.
Oh Lord, yes. Attack force if it's here.
Roll up this song there.
Some boys in fear.
Hey, you and me, we made a vow.
Hear this. Oh.
For better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down. But it's in the way.
I am a single song. Rock. Jump. Everybody saw that chuckle. See me brother Patrick over this one.
Some boy you're the reckless lecture, and you're the place and say a thing. I know you reach out that first sound. Now you started to delay in the middle of the session. Now some boy about to grab the dance. I thought was jolly the place.
Run attack force. Right.
Attack was going the plane.
Attack force. I love the Bible and all the people that drop. That's why we come in and the dance and strap. The music is what we got. And now we're here to defend the dance.
Father Pharaoh, dig up yourself.
Jump on happy day. We tell them attack force.
Have a big up the friend over there.
Sure. Reaching out to every audience. From you know you represent the truth. Force tell them every lane. Boy. Every trench, every drain, attack force it. We represent this one. Yes. Attack force, you are the champion. And if you wanna be a attack force, bring up on a blind. Jump on some better run down. Right?
They say this
That's some clash. Jump and I got that to them.
everybody all around it up.
No matter what, some jump and one down. Yeah, right for motherfucker fight. Yeah, man, psychotic. I went about gun and ammunition, we got it.
Oh, yeah,
Well, I come and go like them can't force man down. Go tell them Ricky Trooper bust the most long gun. Right now we check for bust it on them force and done. I make them know so Rasta bust the most long gun. And no say that we are gag and we are most long gun. But tell them go the road and bust the most long gun. Raise for them and
Yo, Ruffcut, quality, lock off in blood clot. All like a Ruffcut. Hey boy, never get up. Never get a chance to play 3 songs to redeem yourself in attack force. Never get a chance to redeem yourself. Play 3 songs and bust the place. I said, lock off. Sing. Little boy. Look a boy. I play 3 songs and redeem yourself.
Where is the play 3 songs?
I redeem your blood clots.
You are going on trooper. See? Cause you don't want to afraid, you know. I pay your back sound in the expect virus, cause you don't know it thing go. So hear me I say, you want to play 3 songs?
Alright, attack first. Attack them. Motherfucking niggas, you know it's all out up in the building. Attacking. Nothing lacking, the gun them packing. Motherfucking niggas, you know. One to them boy, bitch you like some fucking fishing stacking. It's walled up in here, hot guns and racking. Motherfucking niggas, you know. After all, runs, hey, in your call.
When you run up in a bad man, so always remember say.
Listen, no, you get your mother ball up on first. You start lose happy when people are on school.
Hey! What on the man? Stop. Relax, man. Passport for you. See? Alright. I first got to get from them. See? Play one more, relieve yourself.
Alright. Play one more. You won't go on no too far. Well, I know. You won't go on. You see me? Me I don't like, I don't know hype thing, me I know a regular slater. That's why I'm trying everything in our music. You see me? We play sound, we string sound, we mix music, everything, because we love music. But on the first time me I go war with a sound in a dog. And the moment you say you want to war me, my brethren just look at me and say, Bogie, watch out.
Yeah, man, them fi know say attack force. And we say Father Tyrone, but one more up in this. We say little fire, you don't know. And we say was big up yourself, and we say Jerome, some little tin sound, we send them home. Yeah, man, I think comes a run that, we can run through them like, come and run through here.
What is?
Attack force in the ear. Jump and live in the wire. Tin sound, fetch his saga.
What is?
Up up your sound and run away now. Attack force taking over. Attack force.
I lost for me till he pop member.
I'm trouble again. Attack force, I go kill them. Worries again.
Let me play my artist, I know that you jump by.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you're on the top end sound good.
Attack force, are you
Sometimes I just the quality makes someone like this.
every sound wanna be like you.
Oh God!
Wanna figure out how you go backstage.
Him said 3.
Yo. You know what I said?
Turn up your sound blow that
Relax,
too.
man.
I hear you.
Relax, man. I said 3, man. Relax, man. Let me teach you, pussy. Teach you. I said 3, play a song and redeem yourself. You should not play a 3 song where, you know, attack force, special. The song where you play a beat out something where, I play a jar them, you know, a beat out something them, the bro. You know, yeah, man, I want to sound. Just play one exclusive song where, no man, let me hear. One exclusive song. No, I'm not busy about them, man, am I right?
A trooper called him. I mix couple songs, trooper dead.
Relax, man. Play one exclusive.
No man, I hear it. Me play a 3.
Promoter.
Play where you play now, man.
Relax. Promoter. Let me security.
Super, your friend,
Well, relax, someone and stop showing police some respect, man. You listen. Go with a permit, man. They're going to lock you off now. Well, I want to come every night to the same shit and I come go and I come back. Regulars. The boy them sang the can't kill sound show for youth. The boss them shot me a boss boy, your boss money about pound. Your boss broke.
Yo, trooper.
Your boss tapping nice on my type of play, man. You just want
I'm a friend for life.
come on.
Wizard, big up yourself.
Come on,
Wizard.
come on,
Attention.
you don't play sound, man. Relax. You don't go drive truck. I wash down your box them and they're dirty.
Oh.
I was starting the man and show me permit, man. You let go I am. Show them a 12 man. Did that disturb people come down? No, man, that's where you go. Alright. Notice. Yeah, respect security. Big up on yourself.
No, first
Same.
Super. Hold on. No, so make it talk. I want it, Super.
You can't be turning. Play something exclusive. Play one song exclusive.
I'm not playing one song.
I'm here.
People,
Exclusive.
all night. Super a big up Perry. Reggie, remember me and Perry. Par, you know. Me got funeral of Perry there. And when the funeral don't look so good, Perry just elbow me on my side and me start ball. Me not even know there like cast.
Oh, you been a business about that, bro. Let's play one exclusive song. You tell me about your brother. Burn the fuck, man.
Super, this a intro.
Burn the fuck, man.
They call me the king of intro.
Play your
Listen
song.
to me. Let me tell you this. Listen, when you're a friend of Perry, Perry can't wait for your dead.
Walk up and dead pussy. Bullet in a head pussy. Anything walk against attack force and dead pussy, you don't know.
Perry, tell him one of the package them right now.
No, no cartoon. Who want to them your attack force make the most scores? You don't know much from Mr. Enter Skelter. We quest them.
The package them starts from 500,000.
We not afraid of the pussy.
And I run up Trooper.
Gunshot do too much.
Why?
When the gangster them, the ups around and dancer. What's going? Well, pussy before you try this attack force. Make sure you get paid your funeral bill.
Alright, quiet now. Stop now. Relax. Put on the talking phone. If you're talking on that again before you tell me to talk, you suck pussy.
Let me tell
You
you
know,
this.
man.
Me know me tell you this.
Oh, yeah.
Listen to me.
You're a rude boy.
The injury.
Rude boy.
Listen to me.
Stop it nice.
Listen to me now.
Stop it nice.
When you little boy come from them, talk to them. You can't tell them that they're bad
Stop it nice,
boys.
man. You're not a bad man. Stop it nice, man. You don't know about badness. You beat up your blood clot. You don't know nothing about badness. So stop talking about badness. A badness mean if you want badness, mean you badness. And you're not bad. Look at boy. You say I'm play something exclusive. You can't, you have no song exclusive. I'm going to play exclusive song and show you a bad song. This is, you play Bounty Killer, this is a Brian and Tony Boyle, Bounty Killer in a combination. I'm telling you.
And down, German stormtrooper, the super, and down, sharpshooter. It's Waller and Brian and Tony Garner came to say something.
No, I'm not showing you. I'll be a regular on the player, man.
Furious, and down. Tell them truth, boy, when I come for trouble. Boy, get gunshot and struggle. I'm trouble. New York, German, Canada, worldwide. Stormtrooper, boys, gunshot and touchline.
Ruffcut. When I'm with family, some of them serial, let me kill the pussy, them in New York.
Mourn for them. Super.
Where is this at 11?
Burn a letter to us
Though he tried his best to hide, they need out inside. When some true pop lady realized, can you kill someone if you want to? Yes, can you?
I wish we had done today. Who sent them to ruin them? Well, if I'm working, when they keep hopping,
Little boy, that's nice, man. On a show respect. It's big on you. But tell us to play your three best songs. Sing. The L redeem you. Sing.
Super. Cowboy, I'm a friend. Yeah, I'm a friend. Boy, I'm a friend. I'm going to tell Cowboy that I said, tell Boy, do not run out on Super because I didn't have that show to play. To warn you, and I still do it, so do the maths.
Very now go see it.
Hey boy, stop time. After we done play the streets, I'm a rough cut up here. So quiet. Tap it nice. Sing. Quiet. Hey boy, these are levels. Sing. This is Jackie. Bounty killing a combination.
he that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, or sit up in the seat of the scornful.
Request for all of God.
Was those funny eyes they gone full. I doubt you now. It's one on them Jackyard. I doubt you now. Trooper, and I guess just sure. I doubt. Some trooper. Them boy that can't rise, them got me.
They are not here. The killer soul, man.
Cause I know Charge of bless me. No making out can't
Crazy. Like a boy, I'm in the business, man. It's at the levels, man.
no job manifest me. And my fans are request me. Never make the rivers run.
Barry killer last week, and the killer son, the Mario blood clot.
The Lord is full of salvation. Trooper no fear, no evil one. They walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I fear no evil, fear no man. Now,
Little boy. Get on blood clots. Last week, when you go some boom and bring Perry up on a place, the man goes some boom and go international. See? The man goes some blood clot and go international. And mash up on the yard. See? And pussy. You tell me about your boss, money blood clot with. And no money make them show their voice. It's their respect. Damn it!
what you really want?
This is your respect.
What you want from me?
DMX.
What you really
You
want?
look a blood clot master look like you look a mongrel down there.
Am I just class best? Sometimes was good. Sometimes I do evil. Sometimes I do good.
I'll play it back. I'm in Ruffcut.
So you don't want me to die.
Hey, send out man. Come here. Hold up. 10 minutes of that tune for tune. I'm a beat you.
Well, two power line up.
Stop that. Tune for tune. 10 minutes one. Tap that. Ruffcut, sit down with me.
Listen to
You
you.
want to see a boy? I'm a shaming mama.
Well, I know. We can't reason.
No, I'm not chat to man when
Now
I
you
kill
say
pussy.
four. Now you say four.
I'm not kill boy, I'm not chat to people. Do something and lock off, come and get me done killing.
Super.
If you're not playing a song, tap chat man. A Ruffcut. If you're
I
not...
mean, it's gonna be a dark force, man, yeah? Real big sound. We don't have big people in a sound clash business. Now, Ganja T come cross, come show them one. See that? Kill them now. Oh, we kill them now. We kill them now. Kill them now. Hey, I sing glory, glory.
Well, I know. Super. Let's say Perry kill me. We are Perry never did a war last week. But you see this blood clean week, yeah, we are here.
Niggas, you know.
Are you?
Stop. Stop, man.
Hey, I must have been killing the two
Stop now, man. Stop now. Hey. Stop it, nice, man. I play that song.
Ruffcut play that two part.
Hey, man, you stop it, nice, man. Ruffcut can't play. I mean, not tell them to play, no. It's a level, you know. It's a badness. And they respect me. I'm a two blood clot in the back in Soul of Family. And you go some woman show up your blood clots. I mean, hey boy, you're not a son. See? You see you? You're not a blood clot, son. Hey boy, tell me about your boss, blood clot money. Your boss have money, eh? It's your respect again. Super cat, tell him!
Well, some trooper, kill them, rust, blood, them dead, them die. Lick them shoot, shot, tell them, maintain them. Well, I don't show them to come in the water tonight. Some person who don't play, and I don't know why, me, I'm not sure anymore, but them that.
I'm playing that number one. Come here, Ruffcut. Come here, Ruffcut. Come in, OG. I'm going to play the song. Come in, OG. Come in, OG. What else? Give myself the song. OG. Clean up your hands. Come on, you find us. You find something. You find something.
Attack force.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Trooper, me not afraid like the rest of sound every night. Listen up. Brother, me respect you. So when you say something, yeah, because you're the world selector. You see the next selector, them refrain. Brother, me not care about win or lose. Me love this to make people Trooper up on YouTube and put up in gun. And FLA take away gun. And no, listen, let me talk.
We make the most blood.
Let me talk now, please. We're not Mr. Trooper. We're not. Let me get the line never play. When they take a Trooper gun, Trooper go buy bulletproof vest and start fucking the wrong set of people.
Yeah, attack force. We make the most blood clot go, so on some bumble.
Yo, time with a real bad man up surround so down so on to some guy. Brain a bum
People in wall cut a bulletproof vest can't stop it.
from some bumble.
Big stand everywhere. And I done what matter from Mr. Elton Skeleton.
Yo, Tyrone.
One to some now.
Well, I with a boy I feel. Think interest line we still.
Yes, bro. Really? Virus. Listen, little boy. Come around with friend, but I'm not kill pussy. I got international. Sing. It's a Nelly. It's a Nelly pussy.
Trooper, that's one of the Spanish stone song them. One of the AI song them. And
Pussy, what this man say in there? That be nice, man. I wish boy about this and say, I say you suck your man cocky. Lock off. Hey, rude one, stop. Stop embarrassing yourself. You don't have no son. Say you don't have no son.
brave, man.
No, you're not
Ruffcut,
brave.
do nothing.
Sing. OG. More play one next one song, OG. You don't have no son, pussy. It's big on your blood clot.
Big on him.
So you don't have no son, pussy. No, not my youth. You're going to be down. A little championship. Relax now. Sing. Sing me again. Banya, that's your telling me, who Banya? PMP sang a liberate your head, you're dead.
You're baby son.
Alright. Where you want, son?
You're baby son.
You're not PMP blood clot, yes. Sing. Alright, cowboy, and that's the bad about. Eh? And the bad about, man, with this body already. Stop talk, man. You embarrass your blood clot too. Same. Never struggle, Martin. Kill it.
Kill them someday, one by one. I never struggle, man, you know. I represent this own tune right now. Yeah, man, Ricky, big up yourself. Some tune back behind you. Oh, this killer sound behind you. Some tune back behind you. Oh, this mighty sound behind you. Some tune back left you. Oh, yeah.
God, never wrote me. What you way I say? Original sound and Ruffcut man does.
Remember, but I'll be over there, that sound. No sound in our work can't go around this. Engineer, make sure you check up the sound, yeah? But Wednesday to play.
Pull up the dub that you play. Can you kill some more? Yes. Can you kill some more?
Load up in St. Catherine, man, you got some song for them. St. Catherine, but don't tell them. May I play some classic, some exclusive song. What I want there?
Ruffcut.
This is the ERS, man. Keep it on. Come.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
When you Ruffcut, kill a song. Some jump and some ball. You know my friend, if you come and you know friend, your friend from way back when you know something.
You know why my name not called?
Stop to please.
St. Catherine, you know why?
From Africa, come and get candle one. Everybody wants to talk but some not that.
Load up in here. Yo, St. Catherine. Order two, but big up yourself. Attack force, big up yourself. Yeah, right now. Don't want no vice behind the bar. Don't want no vice a person. Hold me on top.
Then go and toss it too. Then send to the bed too. Ruffcut. Hey, look now. I don't about that enough for them than a banner. I don't about that a Ruffcut them a the dana. I don't about that them the top ninja and a about them. Don't get out of. Don't get in a dan.
Yo, be a big up yourself and have a family.
Dan when I eat and a woman you know dance.
Yo.
Ready.
I'm rough to the cut. Why that one?
But I said, go on, what about
Tell them cut.
Yo, tell me, big up yourself and have a
Oh,
family.
yeah. Some me say them can't hold we down. Them can't tie we down. Them can't stop the fire with the Ruffcut a burn. Them can't hold we down. Them can't tie we down. It was before brand new one took. Some me say them can't hold we down. Them can't tie we down. If them this Ruffcut them have it not to me gun.
I'm talking about us going around the coconut. Sweep the tea.
From them can't hold we down. From them can't hold we down. That mean them can't tie we down. From them can't tie we down. That mean them can't push we down.
Big up the young shooter up on the
Them
soul.
can't shot we down. From them can't shot we down.
Scale of one, my brother.
From them can't gun we down. Them can't put
Hey, wolf, man.
Ruffcut. And this sound of we can't left we gun. If them this Ruffcut me say I be a fireball we kill a sound where you jump. Some me say them can't hold we down. Them can't tie we down. Them can't stop the fight.
All about us, me in that place.
Them can't hold we down.
I used to fire blast, make sure you play my rhythm by the sound. See the rhythm here. See the rhythm here. See the rhythm here. See the rhythm here. Come on, back
We go so we no sound can't test we don't kill them already. We no sound can't test we and Ruffcut. You tell them.
relax.
Pam that the one day you standing up with. But we don't kill it already. Pam up on the mic, oh this is little Lenny. When the Ruffcut go, if you come follow, we go so we no sound can't test we.
St. Catherine, them say 90s.
We.
And 90s song they play. What?
Never come to kill yourself. Never come to Because you try to test the Ruffcut sound, we are the best. And you know the Ruffcut sound, we never lose no contest.
That's what make us so
If you try to say you are the one, you are the champion, and this we gonna kill your sound. And we run the around.
What you say?
We never wanna kill your sound. We just have to teach you a lesson if it's so.
Bumbo clock, blood a run through the city like I don't see my father. This Ruffcut make bad man name call. And you come around the carry.
Relax your voice up, fire.
Catch a team out pal pal. We saw that come rifle what we have now style. Like juices.
Rasta, you good.
Wall.
I like how the sound I play down. Well, relax, man.
Ruffcut, just make a double in them nine. It's a mountain that bad boys. To them teach them a lesson. That's how we have over.
Shut that down.
Ruffcut step up in a double treaty. Everything of them now.
Jimmy, boy, you said this to the world. Only two sound in the world can play more bounty killer than this. And the king of these, and base of this thing. All the real bounty killer, bust a blanket around
But that's
here.
evil. Them get big evil. Yo,
Watch out.
them show them a blood clot carry. A big on the carry. Them deaf like man. Who better kill off the one of them? Bam. Take up at them that
Mr. Ruffy,
What do I even name out the gun them now? Yo, split up.
now in a rambling. 1 liquor, 2 liquor, 3 liquor, and gun, 4 liquor, 5 liquor, 6 liquor, magnum. 7 big game, big 9 big shot. Kill them and done. Number 1, Ruffcut no play. Number 2, she run from the 4, 5, 6. Kill 7 when we squeeze in from the Tech 9. Mac 10 and Mac 11, Mac gon' cripple and spine. 12 kill shotgun real murder 13. Just an innocent bystander age 14. Bush
Hey, merciless, I don't like that something. Don't want to do it next one. See ya.
Sometimes we are bad man. Ruffcut. We know the history, how we gun and the chemistry, how we gun. How we gun build up and how the bullet them come. When they pass the city, why the gun can't shoot? Rough the know that from we are. Rough the them a bad man and live a show their skill. Ruffcut want them to know
Jimmy.
skill.
Heads up, you want your blood clean it up.
We preach them over we.
You want your merciless stuff.
Them no know we. Bad man who a picking go. Nothing stand up and shut. Why them all a try to
Rule the way you say, you want circle St. Mary.
before we.
You want circle up and St. Mary. Who you link up?
Well, I'm a dead off. Ruffcut a bust them dead off. What's up? Oh, never talk no pussy to me. When you put a one in a million next to me. Oh, never talk no pussy to me. When you put a one in a million. It's try. We know in a no with them. You see this old boy them keep party man friend this try. We know in a no with them. You see the pussy them a keep some them a shocking and young white.
Them say 70s and 80s and 90s.
Pussy put him in.
I want them to can dig up on our 80s artists. Them. Oh,
Tonight, original Ruffcut man like Ruffy Barrier man like Steve. We say what? Inna the clash, Say Ruffcut and brother you inna the clash, inna the clash. Why you not cut ya? You just one watch. One stop Ruffy, pass the dub. Hey son boy we no come, we no come here so we don't kiss up our hub. Don't dub the coffee, that's not inna the clash. Ruffcut inna the
Rasta, I'm not trouble certain something, you know. I said a laptop here, I juggling laptop this. I'm not trouble certain something. But that's how they are murder and the people them know. That's why we name the two corner. But Butcher, you want to talk by your sound?
I don't know if those sound is big. I want to see.
Butcher, what you say?
We don't know why them saying them on top of the top. And we never hear about the no sound clash. We don't know why them saying them on top of the top.
What you say, Butcher?
Queen of the crap. Top of top dodos, top of top chop. Top of top things from matches. Top of top rough, we make them show them off the rock. Top of top barry, who the boy can't chop. You might know what Jamaica. I put
Listen to me. Send getting. Bad man don't make trouble on the road. Bad man just relax. And if you make trouble, you get a bus on. When me and some people are talking, I don't listen here.
Stephen, I'll take no pan. But I feel like Ruffy.
Hey, jump up.
Oh, mercy. Why? Set them back, put me off fencing. Put no million pound convince. If Ruffcut Papa
merciless. Merciless, I'm here. This name, merciless. Marathon, watch out.
Do I have a ball and tell us and sorry? Ruffcut. Question time, through the
Rolling me warm up, hey boy. Shoot up some sun.
Hey boy, well hold it. You ever be the copper shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with Ruffcut or the president make one pop out a bicycle? Give me Ruffcut.
Yeah, come.
No fussy work, can't carry. Ruffcut, war them want. Copper shot them and go kill. Roughly, a war them want. Copper shot them and go kill. War them want. Ruffcut, roughly are them enemy. Just not. Why them do that? Marriage up and drum and dance, take it up and people say, could
Rasta, how much I've done already?
everyone a image in a cheese like no car. Them fi know so roughly exceptional. No sound like no sound, you carry one vocal. Murder them for in a look.
So what you say?
Not we, wanna be know that. Them marriage up a come and down, make it up and people say, oh no could that. A Ruffcut sound, I in a blood boy, I got blood again. You know, Timothy, we no get the back yet. This Ruffcut sound, well, a day Ruffcut yet. Make some fussy one know this.
Some catching a wonderful outcome.
Them a chat.
How much?
The man talk already and we not talk again. Sound a go they don't know mark you don't tell. A copper shot Ruffcut a give the boy them. We your enemy and a post like friend. Talk already, post not talk again. Kill all the one defend them. Why are we emblem?
We got about 9 already. So I go.
Them no meet for we war criteria. Them never must have find 50 Iberia. We learn guerrilla warfare in Nigeria. Copper shot damage your blood like my belly again. 540 mash up your exterior. Why see your coffin they view the interior. Ruffcut now run the cafeteria. We are gonna show.
Look at me just reaching our place. You want if a song play, but when I hear the song play, them song I ain't know. I tell the same best people in What's up? Pull up at the dance, it's a big dirty K, and a bus go to cycle, so every day, yo. Expand the bad man trend, come in Ruffcut and blow. Tell them again, let me show. What's up there? But tell them I killing laptop there, and then juggling laptop, beating man, they want to.
Bad man down, baby, now. Tell them. Anyway, I still see I send them, yeah. Sound boy becomes to kill them, yeah. Music and a heathen, then. You see the Christian wicked.
Tell them again,
What? I still see I
I
send
want to be the engineer with that sound there, you know. Oh, see? Don't even go dancing, I've been drunk the sound, you know. Let's play it on a level. But one ticket I want to.
Down crash war. Another sound boy have to fall. Oh yes, sound boy. Tribal war. Another Ruffcut I defend. I give your praises the morning, yeah. When I heard Ruffcut was playing. Oh yes, the song was playing. I was in the dance hall, sipping a cup.
Welcome up to the world of Ruffcut, Stephen, and everything go. Later on, I was your blocks checking in.
No more war.
All war in them day,
They don't want to live in unity. Come on, dance hall, come on with me. But the war is over. No more war. Tribal war. Ruffcut sound. I want that queen on his hands. Say when I'm ready, you are so young, Ruffcut and move, and lightning studios. Take back seat and wait for me, baby. Ruffcut, I am passing, hold on, steady. Ruffcut, them a murder. And as we feature to world, the big bad sound called Ruffcut, the champion sound, and we run the town scene. One big other man called Ruffle, one called Barry, down the scene. Chevy, watch that face, you want to unruly OG, Freddy Pandale. The whole of SUNDAYZ, a full place that's in Black River. The whole world run it!
I'm ready to the back with God.
like a cloud.
Hurry up now.
Say when I we must so that say Ruffcut and
Let's go and sit by alcohol now. This is some good music.
can't wait for the wedding. Ruffcut liar and sing hold on slowly. Ruffcut and my burger and some wild. And we don't want no promotion. Ruffcut touch the king and not that jump on. Give me bang bang day. The Ruffcut the burger and some wild. And we don't want no
All I'm putting one more time. No rush the phone. This one should be daddy, you rock. Yeah.
You hear me some boy, stop running and gun. Ruffcut, just a gun, I'm gonna run down. You hear me some boy, baby, stop running and gun. Just a kill sound, come to murder sound. Yes, I miss it, come to murder down. Ruffcut, come to murder them. Kill, well, we kill some of them, we kill them away. Murder sound, no more, we kill.
Members, I don't know what we're juggling and now this is not going tonight, so we can just play some song and just go some respect. Now we juggle and mix all night, you know what I think? Song we are playing, not true?
No, this is Chalice with the most deadly rock cut sound. Barry and Ruffy, the kingdom from Black River Sent. Now this one, the sound wire of God. Is my king. Ruffcut sound, I go murder some boy tonight. And give me something them feeling lucky. Them go know what it feel when them step on dynamite. And it's gonna be good to be there to watch you Ruffcut kill another dibby sound tonight.
Ease up, man. There you go. Big song.
This is Chalice.
Only one of the play later.
Deadly Ruffcut sound. Barry and Ruffy, the kingdom from Black River Sent best.
Let's go, the man.
Ruffcut. Is my king. Ruffcut sound, I go murder some boy tonight. And in the dibby sound, think them feeling lucky. Them don't know what it feel when them step on dynamite. And it's gonna be good to be there to watch you Ruffcut kill another dibby sound tonight. So
remember when you are playing big song, you don't do too much talking, just make the song them talk for you.
that's all me up. I ready to kill anything that come across the body. I don't want no ice cream sound that is too soft for me, little sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound that is soft, can't you see? Hey, I want a sound that can kill a little drop in a sound clash, and that is why I say Ruffcut is the roughest and the toughest sound. Yeah, you don't know what more. Ruffcut sound. It's not very silly. I saw ya. Look out! Ready or not, here I come. You can't run. Ruffcut gonna find you and kill your town. Ready or not, here I come. You can't die. Ruffcut gonna find you. Murder your sound boy. Anywhere you go, anywhere you are, oh someone, no someone, you can't get away.
Remember earlier, so for them mixing something tonight from me. No, I don't play that way the way I play them song here. I play them song from the heart.
Yes, what can I say? Original Stranger Cool from West Kingston, Trenchtown, to be exact. Big up! The wicked sound, Ruffcut. Roughly, Barry. Kill sound. Kill it. No, yeah. Ruffcut, no one no bang around. Cause the woman no one the bang around. Yeah. Ruffcut the number one champion sound. Cause the woman no one the bang around. Yeah. No, yeah. Cause if you step on his toe, you're gonna get a big blow. He might be around the dance one. Come now, feel next obsession. Ruffcut now mix with the thing for the song. Cause the woman no want the bang around. Yeah. He's a Ruffcut. Steady must take my road to hero goodness. Oh yeah, to hero goodness. Skin them up.
Them all of you are one night, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to pick them big homes up. There we go.
Steady must take my road to hero goodness.
Alright, cool. We don't play one more than Bonner Sound Trooper.
Steady must take my road to hero goodness. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. From the day I know Ruffcut, he has been killing some. Oh yeah, he has been killing some.
He's out, so right now play my final song.
Yeah, man! A Ruffcut in a champion sound. You're Ruffy, Barry, you're a boy. Anything tasting, I was sorry. Bring him up. See them a come there in a Ruffcut that sound killer. Ruffcut, you a sound murderer. Can them a talk, but them come business Ruffcut. Yeah, man! A Ruffcut in a champion sound. You're a Ruffy, Barry, you're a boy. Anything tasting, I was sorry. Bring him up. See them a come there in a Ruffcut that sound killer. Ruffcut, you a sound murderer. Can them a